been like forever, right?
Good seeing you.
All right,
Hey.
I gotta know.
How are you?
Okay, tell the truth. Did you guys come by at any point just to peek through the window and see what was going on?
She wouldn't let me.
But I heard the neighbors did a little bit of it.
Oh, is that
Okay. All right. Come on in.
Oh my gosh, no way. No way.
Oh my God,
is-
it's like so different.
I love it.
I thought it would be really great to add more personality to this space and make this a standalone moment.
Because of all the light, I think it works.
Well, I'm just so glad you trusted me with this. And right off the entryway is your new office.
Come on in.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Every home
Yes.
needs a home office.
So
I love
different.
it. I love the shelf. That is so great.
Here's the thing. It's your office, but it's also now a legal bedroom. So this house was a 3-bedroom when you purchased it. Now it's a 4. What do you need to be a 4th bedroom?
Closet?
Oh no, that is cool.
It's also an ensuite.
What?
No. Oh my gosh, no way.
Oh, wow. This is so cool.
Oh, that's great.
Wow.
It's like a private bathroom. This is beautiful.
So this was just a room, but now it serves as an ensuite bathroom for your office/bedroom and connects to the living area for your guests. They don't have to
great.
walk back to the bedrooms.
Got it.
They have full access.
That is huge. The big stone fireplace is going.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
This is amazing.
This is absolutely fantastic.
Can I live here?
Are you crying?
This
I'm
is
totally
amazing.
crying.
So the biggest change here is moving the kitchen
Yes.
to the back where the sunroom was. There was a huge fireplace sort of obstructing the view of the room, but we would never take out a fireplace without adding another one.
Oh my gosh, there's another fireplace. Perfect.
This is so cool.
That is amazing. I love it. Every time I turn, there's something I'm amazed by.
So now you have a focal wall. You have a formal and a casual space where
Yes.
folks can relax, watch TV. Most people live in their kitchen.
I see it.
Oh my goodness. Look at, oh my gosh, I love this. I love how it just comes right over.
You got yourself a waterfall. Yes, you do.
It's
This is
just
huge.
gorgeous.
Come on out.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
There's no way you can have this amazing space that you can now
Oh, yes.
entertain in and not have an outdoor space to do that as well.
This is amazing. This is so cool.
And you can cover or
Oh, no way. It's like
Oh,
a pergola or not.
yeah.
No way.
Hey, what's happening? How's it going?
Good.
Hello, hello.
You feeling all right?
Yeah. What's going on?
Are you ready
You
to kick us out of your house? And
A little bit.
How are you feeling right now?
We're excited.
Nervous?
Yeah.
So what are you nervous about?
Well, I want it to feel like it's us.
Well, there's a lot of surprises down there.
I listened. I listened. Okay, come on.
Come on.
Wow.
Wow,
I love
look
this
at that.
color.
I do too.
Oh, man.
Whoa.
Nice. Wow, this is a different place. I am speechless.
Thank you.
What we tried to do was make this a multi-use space for everyone, right? Designed for the whole family.
It's amazing. I wouldn't have even thought a table right here.
It fits perfect. I mean, the color is right on.
This gives you mood.
I think it makes it look bigger.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say. I mean, that bar is incredible.
Does it look like you thought it would look? Remember when we were playing with that tile saying this could be very cool?
Bang on.
I think it looks better than I envisioned it. I think that, I don't know if you call that a railing, the craftsmanship is spot on, because that could be very crooked if you're not careful. That's good stuff.
Hear that? Solid. We're nice and level now.
Yeah.
We had a huge slab issue, concrete crack all the way from wall to wall.
That was a big uh-oh moment.
Big uh-oh.
Yeah, that was scary.
I mean, that was 8 to 10K, right?
Yeah.
We got it for 8,500.
Well
spent.
Well spent. And then, of course, the play area.
Yeah, this is exactly what they wanted.
The truth teller will be when the kids see it.
They're gonna be blown away by this space.
This wallpaper is incredible. I was hoping something funky would go on the wall.
Look at the climbing wall. Awesome.
This is incredible.
It's hard to believe what was here before and this is here.
It's another home. It's like a whole living space.
It literally doubles your square
It
footage.
does.
You want to see your office?
I've been just waiting.
Yeah, let's do it. Wow.
I'm speechless. Wow, who knew it could look like this with this new door? I mean, it's incredible. It's definitely a place to work.
Okay, so she's crying. This is amazing. This shows you how deep this went for her because her passion exists in this room. Her future, her new chapter, all of that, it's a culmination. And I'm like trying to hold back the tears myself. So scale of 1 to 10, this room is a...
15.
Yeah.
15.
All right, yes.
You nailed it. You know, I've always said I want to be able to sew and then still watch the movie that everybody's watching.
Yeah.
And then I can see my kids in the backyard.
Yeah, this says Marnie all over it.
It was a spend, but I felt like you needed a moment here.
You know, I've worked at all of this for a long time, and so to have something so beautiful, I'm just really touched.
Wow.
It makes both rooms, like from that living space to this office, it's really a great flow.
So wait till you see what we carved out for you.
I can't wait. If this is what you did for Marnie, I can only imagine.
Well, we have one more stop to make before we get there. Come on.
Oh, the bathroom. The bathroom. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Look at that tile.
Everything fits. Like this color kind of complements the color on the walls inside the basement. It feels weird calling it a basement because it doesn't feel like we're down in
Call it terrace level.
terrace.
Terrace level.
Hello. Good morning, guys. You look awesome.
Thank you. You guys look great too. Oh my God. Like, this looks
great.
amazing.
Even the dining room looks great.
Here,
Yes.
Lime washed it,
Yes. It looks so
but
good.
preserve the stone you love so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, it looks so good.
So dining room, we did not change much structurally
Yeah.
here because we didn't have to.
Yeah.
This was a beautiful room already.
Yes.
So really just showed you what it can be.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's amazing what a great light fixture will do, right?
Yes,
The light fixture
completely.
and the beam too.
Yeah.
So it's not that brown anymore.
Right.
It looks
Yeah, it looks
a
really
lot more modern.
Very organically, we wanted everything to marry together and flow so that every room, wherever you turned, invited you in.
Right.
So before we even think about entering this room,
Sorry,
okay,
I'm
come
not
over here.
ignoring
I know,
you.
don't.
He's over there. He's all like.
All right, babe, do you want to remind them what this space looked like before?
Do you remember what it looked like?
I do.
You remember the color of your fireplace?
Orange and brown.
Orange and brown.
Yeah.
Do you remember the color of your beams?
Brown, brown.
Okay.
So let's do this. 1,
2,
2, 3.
3.
Oh my God. Oh my God, it looks so good.
So different. It looks so good.
I know, but like, look, it's like the paneling is still there.
Right.
I'm still getting like all of my mid-century vibes, but everything is just like so clean and bright and beautiful, like more modern.
The fireplace looks great.
I'll have you know, you have some of my blood personally on that wall. Me and that wall, we had a battle, okay? That fireplace is beautiful.
Yeah.
It has really become an asset for this room now.
It looks so much better.
Yeah.
Do you remember when I said, if we open this wall up, and so now you have all of these different divisions that you can use spaces for,
Right,
right?
yeah.
And they marry together very easily.
I know that's
And you
like
get
probably the most we fought you on at first on opening this part of the wall,
Yeah.
but totally worth it.
Okay. The big ticket item is behind you.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, round 3. 1,
2.
2.
Wow.
Oh my God.
How much space? I mean, the floor looks great, just like flowing in.
There's no, like, the post,
Yeah.
the saloon. This is not a saloon anymore.
Take it
Cabinets
in.
look great.
Soft close.
Everything's soft
Yes.
close. Nice.
Look at all that storage space.
So this is the island that wins all awards. What I decided to do was give you double storage.
Oh, wow.
Thank
Right?
you, yes.
So you have it on both sides of your island as well.
That's amazing.
You got
That's
real excited
so
when she
helpful.
opened that cabinet.
I don't like clutter, so that's a big that's a big win to be able to like have everything in a nice place and know where it is and where you can find it so you can actually use it.
This countertop, it's incredibly durable, beautiful, cost-effective, and it can withstand heat.